Hey everybody, it's Ryan Beltran with MakeWater.org. I'm here at the Lighthouse for the Blind. We actually partnered with them to assemble our intro kits. So let's check it out. I'm meeting with Tomas from the Lighthouse to get a tour of the facility and meet the workers who help put the kits together.
Ryan came to us asking if we could help him build some water kits for him. Seeing what we do, the capabilities of these blind individuals, it shows the public that our blind workers here are capable of doing pretty much any kind of work.
So today we're actually packaging a lot of kits that are going to be going out during World Water Day. And a lot of these kits were sponsored by a really wonderful NFT project called Nouns. And so I want to give a big thank you to them as well. We're actually having our first run of our updated intro kits, which are kits that can actually purify water in an envelope. So I'm really excited about the partnership because I love that what we're doing actually gives jobs to those with disabilities. I love the mission that they have here, and I think it's just a great relationship.